Forget everything you know about rotisserie chicken. This isn't your average supermarket bird. This is Pollo a la Brasa, a Peruvian masterpiece forged in fire, smoke, and a secret blend of spices that defines an entire culture. In Peru, it's not just dinner, it's a national holiday. Every year, millions consume this crispy, juicy bird accompanied by the legendary Aji Verde sauce. But the real mystery? It wasn't actually invented by a Peruvian. Today, we're going behind the charcoal to uncover the immigrant story that created a billion-dollar obsession. Welcome to the world of the blackened bird. The story begins in the 1940s, not with a local chef, but with a Swiss immigrant named Roger Schuler. He was struggling to make a living on his farm. In a moment of desperation, he began roasting chickens over charcoal to sell to neighbors. But roasting them one by one was too slow, so he teamed up with a friend to invent the Rotombo, a mechanical rotisserie that could cook dozens at once. Now, here's the myth. Many think the flavor comes from the wood. Actually, it's the secret marinade. People argue it's just salt and pepper. Wrong. The real soul is a blend of cumin, soy sauce, and Peruvian dark beer. Without the beer, it's just roast chicken. Roger Schuler wasn't looking for fame. He was looking for a way to feed his family. He spent hours in front of the blistering heat, experimenting. He watched his first batches burn to a crisp. He failed time and time again until he found the perfect distance between the coal and the bird. That struggle created La Granja Azul, the first ever Pollo a la Brasa restaurant. It started as an all-you-can-eat for a few cents. The success was overwhelming that the smoke from his ovens could be seen for miles. He hadn't just made a dish, he had created a ritual. To this day, the recipe at his original restaurant remains a guarded family secret. It's the flavor of a man who refused to give up. What began as an elite luxury soon became the food of the people. By the 1970s, pollerias were on every street corner in Lima. It adapted to the Peruvian palate. The fries became thicker, made from native Andean potatoes, and the sauces became spicier. Then it conquered the world. In the US, cities like Miami and New Jersey turned this blackened bird into a cult favorite. Today, it is so important that the Peruvian government declared every third Sunday of July as National Pollo a la Brasa Day. But the perfect bird comes with a hidden cost. The blackened skin everyone loves? It's a point of health concern. Cooking over charcoal at high heat creates HCAs, compounds linked to health risks. In the quest for flavor, are we flirting with danger? Then there's the chicken tax and economic wars. As demand soared, the price of native potatoes and poultry became a political battlefield. Is it still a meal of the people if the people can no longer afford it? The obsession has turned a simple bird into a luxury commodity. Today, the Pollo a la Brasa has broken out of the brick oven and into the world of fusion. Ever heard of the mostrito? It's a Peruvian street food beast. Half pollo a la brasa, half chaufa, Chinese Peruvian fried rice. Then there's the pollo a la brasa pizza, where the smoky, marinated meat becomes the ultimate topping, drizzled in that addictive green sauce. From pollo a la brasa empanadas to sushi rolls filled with smoky chicken, the secret marinade is proving it can live anywhere. In the future, the wood-fired tradition is meeting high-tech automation. AI is now calculating the exact rotation speed for the ultimate skin. We might see sustainable charcoal, synthesized in labs to give that smoky flavor without cutting down a single tree. Imagine a world where the secret marinade is personalized to your DNA, adjusting the spice level to your specific palate. But technology can never replace the heart of the polleria, the heat of the coals and the community it brings together. Pollo a la Brasa is more than just food. It's the smoky heartbeat of Peru. It's a story of how a Swiss immigrant's struggle became a nation's pride. It proves that when you mix tradition with a bit of secret sauce, you don't just make a meal, you make history. Next time you see that golden bird spinning over the fire, remember you're tasting the soul of the Andes. And you can almost smell that charcoal. Hit that like button and tell us, what's your favorite chicken spot? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most iconic dishes. Keep the fire burning.